I'm a force to be reckoned with. I turn you out, that's how I get down. Who you think that you messing with? Ain't playing around, I'm like a storm cloud when I rain on your residence. I make you bow cause I run your town, better know who you rockin' with. You don't know who we fucking with. Cause when I move my body round in a spiral, I'll get you hypnotized, babe. It's something spiritual. But if you want it right, babe, you gotta be prepared. I'm known to drive me crazy. I'll have you screaming. I'll leave you wanting. All the physical attraction, boy, I know you from the answer. Play with it like a action. Baby, I need your reaction, action. Shay, shay, see we'll play. Por favor, underlay. Begging, please in different languages. He begging and pleading for more me, more me. Just one more man. Holy water, he want me to save him. Cause my sex game is hella amazing. I'm his main entertainment. Cause when I move my body round in a spiral, I'll get you hypnotized, babe. It's something spiritual. But if you want it right, babe, you gotta be prepared. I'm known to drive me crazy. I'll have you screaming, yeah. I'll leave you wanting.
I mean, literally, it's artwork. Like, literally, this is art. Do you see his brow? This is like an effortless. I could have been asleep into this brow. I look like a rich white woman on a runway. This is the Beyonce brow. Rich white runway. It's bushy Beyonce. Boy brow. This is where we're at. Editorial. This is the brow that we're at. This was a bad idea, but I'm committed to it. This ain't like a regular makeup tutorial, okay? I'm just showing y'all what the fuck I do and talk shit. I'm not like a beauty blogger. I'm just beautiful.
I'll leave you wanting.
My Laura Mercier concealer is empty. I just want to take a moment of silence.
Attraction, boy, I know you for the answer. Play with it like an action. Baby, I need your reaction, action. She ain't even half of me. I know that bitch ain't seeing me. I hit the ground and broke the mold. Drippin' in finesse, she ain't forgiving me. Is that what you're into? I'ma keep raising the bar. And if I leave it tomorrow, still wanna be her.